Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get good at Grid Autosport. To begin, familiarize yourself with the diverse racing disciplines, from intense touring car battles to strategic endurance events. Mastering the optimal racing line is crucial for carrying maximum speed through corners and achieving faster lap times. Consider switching to manual gears for enhanced control over your vehicle's performance. Start with a comfortable difficulty and progressively challenge yourself as your skills develop. Fine-tuning your car's setup is essential for competitive racing. Adjusting the brake bias, for instance, can prevent wheel lockups and significantly improve your stopping distance. Experiment with suspension settings to adapt your car's handling to different track conditions, ensuring optimal grip. Modifying gear ratios allows you to prioritize either rapid acceleration out of corners or a higher top speed on long straights. Finally, balance downforce for cornering grip versus straight-line velocity. Elevate your driving with advanced techniques. Trail braking, for example, helps you carry more speed into corners while maintaining control, shaving precious tenths off your lap times. Precise throttle control is vital for managing traction, especially in powerful rear-wheel drive cars, preventing unwanted wheel spin. Learning to execute controlled drifts in certain corners can also provide a quicker exit. Remember to drive smoothly to conserve tire wear over longer race distances. Strategic thinking is key to victory. For endurance events, a well-planned pit stop strategy, considering tire degradation and fuel consumption, is paramount. Thoroughly studying each track's layout will reveal optimal overtaking spots and critical braking zones. Engage with the career mode to unlock a wide array of new vehicles and participate in increasingly challenging events. Consistent practice is the most effective way to refine your driving skills and achieve greater consistency on the track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.